Hello everyone, Mitchell here. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pitting my .177 Nitro air rifle up against a variety of items. To start, we have the 7T candles, and I'm going to shoot them. They are all wax facing me. Okay, so went through the front one really well. Went through the second one, pretty much the same. And if you look at the back, it's surprisingly a really little hole. The third one, the fourth one, actually, oh, that is wild. So here's the pellet. It made it through. Come on, focus, focus. Sorry guys, the sunlight is just outrageous. It made it through 4, and if I really dug, I could probably get that one out, but that one, there's the. For this one, I am going to be trying to shoot straight into this hot glue stick, I'll call it. I don't know how easy that's going to be. Oh, this is sweet. You can see in the hot glue where it went in, and it's all smashed up in there. That is incredible. Next up, I am going to be shooting this shaken up can of grossness that my friends left here when they were here gaming a couple weeks ago. I'm going to try to aim for right on the top, but this sight isn't 100%. That absolutely destroyed the can. I'm going to guess this was the entrance right there, and then it exploded the back and came out right there. But that thing just got demolished. Now I am going to be shooting this classic pack of Jumbo 52 cards. Here is the entry wound, but there's no exit. So I'm going to see how far it made it. Oh, look at that. You can see, just opening up the deck, made it about halfway. So it damaged, I'm gonna say 9, and then it is slightly poking through just a little bit right there. So I'm gonna say that's a penetration. It made it through 6. And here's the pellet. So 6, 7. It made it through 20 playing cards. That is actually more than I thought it would make it through, because I don't know if you guys have ever watched Demolition Ranch. One of my favorite YouTube channels, and I think he shot pistols and stuff, and they didn't make it through very many pieces of paper, but I thought that this would not make it through half that many. Next up, guys, I just laid 2 still furry kiwis next to each other, and I'm sure that's just going to go straight through, but it might be spectacular. Now this one really surprised me. I thought it was going to go just straight through, but this was the one that was in front, and it looks to have went in. Sorry. It went in, and it must have deflected down, because they were sitting like this. It must have deflected down, and on this second one it only caught just a little bit there, so that one didn't do much damage. Now this one really worries me, because golf balls are so bouncy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get it aimed, and I'm going to duck. There's the damage. Not much. I'm more surprised that it didn't bounce back and hit my house. But this one I'm most surprised about. Because, I mean, there's a visible hole there. This one is also fairly dangerous. So I'm gonna kind of hide. I know people on YouTube, you like it big. So my grand finale, if you will, on my fireplace, I put a little tea candle, I lit it up, and I put it right behind an axe can. So I'm gonna go back by my house, and I am going to put the camera closer, and I'm going to shoot that, and hopefully there'll be a pretty big fireball, but I hope it's not too loud. I don't like angering my neighbors, so let's see how this goes. Alright everybody, sorry about that miserable failure with the axe can, but I think the Bud Light and that glue stick are probably way cooler than that was, so that should make up for it. If you like this, like, comment, all that good stuff. Do what you do. At 100 likes, I'll do that over again with 3 axe cans, and I will put the propane torch I have next to it. I mean, that should make a much more dramatic poof, and maybe I'll do it when it's dark. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, do what I said earlier. Have a wonderful weekend. You're wonderful. Bye.